and welcome to the NCL Careers Hub. The Careers Hub provides opportunities for students to review their skills, identify strengths and gaps in the context of their career aspirations. There are extensive resources available here to gain skills to grow with the rapid changing business world. Let's look at some. So start by logging into the Careers Hub using your Nelson College email ID. Once you logged in, this is your homepage. Take a few minutes to explore the materials available. Review and work out which will benefit you most. You can follow them in order or tackle those as you feel most relevant. Let's look at the IT skills courses. As you know, having sound digital literacy skills and having the confidence to grow them is becoming an essential professional skill for all students. Let's see how to access these courses. From the Careers Hub homepage, click on Advice, then choose IT Skills Courses. This is the Elearning homepage. There are several courses to help you learn new skills that apply to all sectors. Scroll down to see more options. You can start on Microsoft Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, or Microsoft Word. You can start as a beginner or an intermediate. Great! Click away and start exploring today.